Students, today we are going to learn some of the important questions related to the topic sets. So in that 1 marks and 2 marks questions will deal. So in that first question, if A and B are disjoint set, then how can you find N of A union B, right? So as per the definition itself, they have said that A and B are the disjoint set. So I can write this one as N of A intersection B is equal to phi, means null set, right? So after that, as per the definition of fundamental theorem of set, you can have N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. As per the thought we have N of A intersection B is equal to phi, that is N of A plus N of B by 1 we can write, right? After that, the final answer is N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B, right? Now if I come for the second one, that is let A is equal to PQR and B is equal to QPR. We have to show that whether A is equal to B or not. As per the definition of equal sets, the elements of the both sets should be equal, right? Now here A is equal to PQR and B is equal to QPR. Consist of three elements. As the values are, as the elements of both the sets are equal, so we can say A is equal to B. Now coming to a third one, let A is equal to AE IOU and B is equal to AIU, right? Now you have to show that A union B is equal to A. Now coming to a solution. So what is A union B here? A is nothing but AE IOU union AIU. Now as per the definition of union, you have to combine all the values, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now where you have A, E, I, O, U in the set A, therefore it is equal to A. So therefore the final answer is A union B is equal to A. So now if I go for the fourth one, that is A is equal to 0, 2, 4. Now you have to find the value of A intersection phi and A intersection A, and also you have to comment, right? Now as per the question, they have given that A intersection phi is an empty set, that is 0, 2, 4 intersection null set. If you don't have any elements, the answer is phi. So therefore we can say A intersection phi is equal to phi. Now coming to the next one, that is A intersection A, that is 0, 2, 4 intersection 0, 2, 4. Now intersection means both the values should be equal. So answer is 0, 2, 4. So therefore I can write A intersection A is equal to A. Okay, so now the next question is fifth one, that is if A is equal to 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 7, 8, then find A intersection B and A union B, are they equal? Now if I go for the solution, here A, first you find what is A union B. So A value is 4, 5, 6 union 7, 8. So union in the sense you have to combine all the values, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, A intersection B. Now A intersection B is nothing but what? 4, 5, 6 intersection 7, 8. Do you have any common values? No. So answer is 5. So I can say A union B is not equal to A intersection B. Sometimes you may ask whether they are equal. A union B is equal to B union A. Sometimes your question may be A union B is equal to B union A. Sometimes they may ask A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So whatever the problem is there, your method should be the same, right? Next, coming to your next one. Next, sixth, that is if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, then show that A minus B and B minus A are equal or not. Right, now first you find what is A minus B. So A value is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 4, 5, 6. So equal to. So subtraction means the common element should be cancelled. Now what is left here? 1, 2, 3. Next you have to show B minus A. So B value is 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this 4, 5 will be cancelled. Now what is left? 6. Now you have to say whether these two values are equal or not. So these two values are not equal. So I can write A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay, so next question is 7th one. That is if A is equal to 1, 2, if A not A, this one. If n of A union B is equal to 51, n of A is equal to 20, n of B is equal to 44, then you have to find what is n of A intersection B. Now as per the definition of relation of cardinal set, you can write as n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now here n of A union B is given as 51, n of A is 20, n of B is 44. Here you don't have any value, so I am denoting this as x. Now here 51 is equal to 20 plus 44 is 64 minus x. Now send this x here, send 51 here. So I can write this one as x is equal to 64 minus 51. So answer is 13. So therefore I can write as n of A intersection B is equal to 13. Okay, next 8th one. So I am giving only the related questions, so you may get this type of question sometime different, right? Now show that the set A and B are equal if A is equal to x, says that x is a letter assassination, and B is equal to x, says that x is a letter station. Right, now as per your question, so I can write A, that is x, says that x is a letter assassination. Convert this assassination in a roster form, that is A is repeated, so I can write as A, S is repeated, I, N, T, O. Right, next, so B is equal to x, says that x is a letter station. Now again convert this B in terms of your roster form, so I can write S, T, A, I, O, N. Right, now see whether the values of A, elements of A and elements of B are equal. So A, next S, next I, next N, next O, next T. So both elements are equal, so I can write A is equal to B. Okay, next one. So in a class of 30 students, 10 take tea but not coffee, and 14 take tea, then how many take coffee but not tea? Right now, here total number of students in a class, if I go for the Venn diagram, total number of students is 30, right? So in that, how many sets we have? 2 sets. That is, one is tea and another is your coffee. So here 10 take tea but not coffee means 10 take tea. Here total number of tea taking is 14. 14 means this complete set is tea. So in that 14 means here 14 minus 10 is 4. Now what we have to show? We have to show that how many students will take coffee but not tea. So as per your formula, your question is given as coffee but not tea is nothing but n of A union B minus n of T, that is A. So you can write as 30 minus 14, that is 16. Okay, now the next question. So write in set builder form. Now if I go for the first one, say A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So these are the squares of the natural number, that is, see here, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square. Now here common is squares, that is, we can denote as x square such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than or equal to 5. Now if I go for the second one, b is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now we can say this as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 are the odd numbers. So I can write this as x as that x is an odd number and condition x is less than or equal to 13, right? Now in that we will take the third one, that is c is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Now here it is all in a rational number, so I can say this as 1 by x is a common term, so I can write this as x belongs to natural number where x is less than or equal to 6. Okay, so next one. So if a is equal to x says that x belongs to natural number and the condition x is less than 20. Next b is equal to x says that x belongs to natural number and x is less than or equal to 5. Then the set a minus b in set builder form, means we have to show that a minus b in a set builder form. So what is a here? C is nothing but x says that x belongs to natural number and the condition is x is less than 20. So I can write in the roster form. Natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, so on up to 19 I am writing, right? Next b is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 5, right? So I can write in a roster form, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, because they asked only the less than 5, that's why I have written till 4. Next what they asked here, a minus b. So what is the set of a? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 19 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this the common elements are get cancelled. So what is left here? 5, 6, so on up to 19. So my answer is a minus b is equal to 5, 6, so on up to 19. Now I have to write this in a set builder form. So a minus b is equal to, so I'm denoting this set as some x such that x belongs to natural number, and the condition I'm writing here, x is less than or equal to 5 to 19. Clear?